Stress ease. At one point or another, most people deal with feelings of stress. Stress affects us mentally and physically, and it's even linked to obesity and illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and cancers. Stress ease targets 3 main biological systems affecting your stress response. Adaptogens to modulate cortisol, the stress hormone, and improve sleep. Nutrients that better our stress perception and management. Probiotics to improve gut health and the gut-brain axis pathways. Have you ever felt butterflies or a pit in your stomach when anxious or stressed? This is because your gut and brain communicate via a superhighway called the gut-brain axis, particularly during times of stress and high emotion. Stress ease includes several targeted adaptogens, researched and studied extensively to regulate mood and improve mental clarity, sleep patterns, and work performance. Adaptogens are natural ingredients that help to modulate cortisol levels. We naturally wake up with high cortisol to prepare us for the day, and our cortisol levels should slowly decline throughout the day. However, people with constant stress may have chronically elevated cortisol levels, or even worse, low levels without the natural fluctuation. Stress ease also includes nutrients like amino acids and probiotics that are proven to improve stress management. How do people feel taking Stress ease? Our users report that they feel many of the following: more centered, more in control, calmer, more focused, attentive, and alert. Stress seems to roll off them, and they can tolerate and manage stressors better. They experience better sleep, which aids in mental and physical recovery from stress during the day, less irritable, and have fewer mood changes. Would you like to relieve stress? Just ask one of our wellness associates how to order Stress ease today.